How to create Reddit account. So let's get started. First of all, open up any web browser in your device and in the search URL type in reddit.com. After that, you will get to official page of Reddit. Now to create an account, first of all, we have to get into login page. For that, navigate to top right corner and click on this login button. Now, since we don't have an account, click on the sign up link from this pop-up box. Now you have to provide the email that you would like to use in Reddit. Then click on continue. After that, you have to create the username and password. You can go with this default username as provided, or if you like to change it, click on this icon right here and it will change for you. And under that, you have to create a password. Make sure you create a password so that you can remember it and use it the next time you try to log in. Now confirm this verification. After that, click on continue. Now you have to tell about the identify, choose according to your preference, and then pick up your interests. Then tap on continue or click on continue. And with that, you have created a Reddit account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.